So in this video, we're going to draw block number 3. The first thing that we're going to need to do is go up to Create, and we're going to pull down and we're going to select Document. Remember, we want to use our last name, and then our first name, and then a description of the block. I'm going to call this one block number 3. And then I'm going to hit OK. Now that we're on to the next screen here, the first thing we're going to need to do is make a new sketch. So I'm going to click Sketch, and I'm going to click on my front view. Then I'm going to go over to my cube and rotate it so I can see the front view straight on, like in 2D. I'm going to take my rectangle tool, click the mouse once and let go, drag it to the upper right, click again and let go. Grab my dimension tool, dimension the longest line first, which is going to be our 5-inch dimension. Put 5 in there, hit enter. Then I'm going to go and dimension the 2-inch. I'm going to click the top line, click the bottom line, and move the dimension. So in between those two lines, the top and the bottom, it's going to be 2 inches. At this point, I want to hit Finish Sketch because I'm done. Then I'm going to go over to the cube, and I'm going to select Isometric. Going to go over to Extrude. Going to select my view that I just made. Going to go 3 inches. Going to click the back arrow, and I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. Now I've got the basic block shape drawn. Now what I need to do is I need to go to New Sketch, and I'm going to click on the front view. This block 3, I'm going to start by drawing on the front of the block. Got my new sketch on there. Going to go up to the cube and go front view again so I can see it in 2D. This time I'm going to grab my line tool. Going to click on the top. Going to come down, make sure my line's perpendicular. Click again, move over to the right, and click on the side right there. Okay, now I'm going to go up to my dimension tool. Going to click on the line right there. That's going to be 1 inch down. Then I'm going to click from the side over to that line, and that on my sheet says it needs to be 2 inches. At this point, I'm going to finish my sketch. Going to go over, I'm going to rotate it, isometric. I'm going to go to Extrude, and I'm going to select the surface I want to cut out. I need to go to Remove, and it's going to automatically go back, and the cut needs to go in 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and I'm done with block 3. Nice job.